Hello, all my apes, my apish people. So I'm back again. I'm pretty sure you're tired of seeing my ugly mug on this channel. And this is exactly why I brought my sister. And if you're asking me how I know, it's because you guys have demanded her presence here in the freaking comment section of my previous two videos. The apes have spoken. The apes want my sister. And when the apes speak and make a decision, well, you know what? I'm going to have to abide by the apes' decision. So I drove all the way to my sister's house once again to make a video and bring her into the video. Now, today's video is going to be a little different, okay? And most of the time when my sister's in the video, she maybe says 1, 2 words. Sometimes she says, "Hi, apes," or something, and I do the rest of the talking. So apes in the comments section have spoken, and they've said, they've expressed their feelers to me. And they said, listen, why do you do all the talking? You keep hogging the mic, and your sister never gets a word in. So this is why we've got my sister. She's going to try to do most of the talking today. Now, keep in mind, guys, she's new at this, and I've been managing her portfolio, which contains nothing but AMC, maybe a couple of other teensy-weensy stocks. So yeah, take over. Give it to them. Give it to these apes.
All right, guys, since my brother failed to tell you my name, I feel like it's only fair to tell you that my name is Sandy. So it's nice to meet all of you. Bear with me because this is very new for me and I'm kind of nervous.
She's nervous, y'all. Hey, listen, she's been on the channel many times and I've never told you her name. And we have read that in the comment section, which is why I'm sure, is that why you brought that up?
Yes, I read it in the comment section.
So what's your name again?
Sandy.
Sandy. I thought you said man. I thought your name was
like off
Mandy.
the movie Grease.
Oh, yes. Off the movie Grease. Okay, so tell these apes what they want to hear.
Remember last week on Thursday when I told you about Spider-Man No Way Home? It had 1 million people view that movie. That was on Thursday. Then on Friday, more people saw it. Saturday, more people saw it. And it ended up being 7 million people. Just
in that one weekend, y'all. That's more than what AMC did in Q1 because that brought in $260 million. Excuse me, Q1 of 2021. So just that one weekend alone did more than what AMC did in Q1 of 2021. Those are incredible freaking numbers. Would you call this a dying industry?
Oh, hell no.
You can't cuss on my channel, Sandy! So AMC, okay, has been setting all of these records. Adam Aaron told us, hey, all we need is more movies. More good movies, and these records are going to continue to be set, broken, and spanked, basically. So tomorrow we've got another catalyst because tomorrow we've got another brand spanking new movie that's coming out in AMC theaters. What's the name of it?
So tomorrow the new movie is going to be The Matrix Resurrection with Keanu Reeves.
Matrix Resurrections. It's got Keanu Reeves in it. Are you guys excited about watching it? You're going to have a bunch of freaking apes in there eating popcorn. No bananas, just popcorn. By the way, y'all need to call Adam Aaron and tell him to bring some dadgum bananas to the theaters. They need to start selling bananas inside AMC theaters because it's only the right thing to do. And Ken Griffin is not allowed in any AMC theater. You put a picture of Ken Griffin crossed out. You cross out his face. You put it on every freaking AMC theater, and you put banned. Okay, Adam Aaron, if you're watching this, and I know you are, you better freaking get that done. We want to see that happen. The apes have spoken. Let me know in the comments below. Let her know in the comments below. This is her video, not mine. But I just had this great idea. 2 great ideas. Bananas in AMC theaters, served in every single AMC theater across the freaking world. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, put a picture of Ken Griffin banned on every freaking wall in the AMC theaters, okay? Can we make that? Do you think you can call Adam Aaron tomorrow?
Yeah, I think
Tweet him. Tweet Adam Aaron tomorrow. Tell him to get his ass on it because we want it to happen.
Speaking of tweets, I have 2 to share with you right now from Ortex. Short interest update today. Saw the second Ortex. Short squeeze signal this week for AMC. AMC is currently slightly up in the pre-market. Estimated short interest 20.24% of free float utilization. 81.34 for the latest.
81.34%. All right.
Yeah. And the second tweet, AMC is saying, or Ortex is saying, utilization in AMC is the highest level in a month. In a month.
Okay, so guys, let me just tell you this, okay? Last time, guys, we saw data similar to this from Ortex was last June when the stock went from $10 to $74, or at least that's what they say on their Twitter account. She didn't bring that tweet. I didn't either, but I have it right here in my ape noggin. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys about that. Well, I just did. So maybe you should be excited. It's almost like a catalyst. You know why? Because all these shorts started increasing their short position, which is only what I've been talking about for the last, I don't know, few videos, like last 10 videos or something. And I told you what that could cause. Well, that could cause a short squeeze when we have the perfect storm brewing, which would be right now. We've got the perfect storm. I would call this a hurricane. I would call this a tornado. Or is it tornado? It's kind of like potato. I don't know. But you should be excited. Yeah. What Jim Cramer would say if he was being, well, not being interviewed. If he was interviewing Adam Aaron and Adam Aaron started busting him out, he'd go, yeah, great job. Actually, that is exactly what the hell happened.
Forget Jim Cramer, but most important of all, forget Ken Griffin.
He's already been forgotten.
Who?
Ken Griffin. Ken Griffin is our friend. We have family dinners with him where we spit on his face and slap him around and call him Susie or Sally because that's what we think his name is. Anyhow, that is your update. My sister did it. It was kind of short, kind of sweet. But if you guys don't think it's short, well, at least you got to spend more time with her. But that's all we got for you today. Be sure you check out the other videos I put out earlier today, if you haven't already. Make sure you smash the like button on this. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Otherwise, my sister's going to get ticked off and she'll never come back.
Please subscribe.
Jack.
Please subscribe.
Yeah, if you're one of these bastards watching all the time, but you haven't subscribed, you're not doing us any favors.
Yeah,
you
you're hurting
weasel.
my feelings over here.
Yeah, you little weasel. Now subscribe because she told you to. Subscribe because I told you to. And smash that like button to piss Ken Griffin off. Yeah, fooled you there.